Chapter 8. Conditional Statements and Loops in Python. While writing a program, you must have observed that it follows a specific sequence, normally from top to bottom. The statements get executed one after the other as the interpreter transfers control from the current statement to the next statement. However, sometimes the user may alter this sequence of execution by repeating or skipping the execution of few statements subject to a given condition. For controlling the sequence of program execution, control statements are used. Control statements are of two types: loops and conditional statements. Conditional statements. We use these statements for specifying if a particular task will be performed on the basis of a specific condition. These conditional statements use relational operators. Python assumes any non-zero and non-null values as true, and if it is either 0 or null, then it is assumed as false value. Some of the conditional statements used in Python are if statement, if-else statement, if-elif else statement. If statement. The if statement contains a logical expression using which data is compared and a decision is made based on the result of the comparison. Syntax. If expression statement or statements. If the expression evaluates to true, then the block of statement or statements inside the if statement is executed. If expression evaluates to false, then the first set of code after the end of the if statement or statements is executed. Flow diagram. Condition. If condition is true, conditional code. If condition is false. Example 1. Write a program to check whether a number is even by using if statement. Hash. If a number is even, print a message. Num equal to input, bracket, enter a number, colon, num equal to int, bracket, num. If num %2 equal to 0, colon, print, bracket, number is even. Output 1, output 2. If-else statement. An else statement can be combined with an if statement. An else statement contains the block of code that executes if the conditional expression in the if statement resolves to 0 or a false value. The else statement is an optional statement and there could be at most only one else statement following if. Syntax. If expression, statement or statements, else statement or statements. Flow diagram. Condition. If condition is true, if code. If condition is false, else code. Example 2. Write a program to check whether a number is positive or negative and print an appropriate message. Ask the input number from the user. Hash if a number is positive or negative, print a message. Num equal to input, bracket, enter a number, bracket closed. Num equal to int, bracket, num. If num greater than or equal to 0, print, bracket, number is positive or 0. Else, print, bracket, number is negative. Output 1, output 2. If-elif else statement. The elif statement allows you to check multiple expressions for true and execute a block of code as soon as one of the conditions evaluates to true. The shortened way of saying else if is elif. Similar to the else, the elif statement is optional. Syntax. If expression 1, colon, statement, bracket s, elif expression 2, colon, statement, bracket s. Else statement, bracket s, elif expression 3, colon, statement, bracket s, else, colon, statement, bracket s. Example 3. Write a program to check whether a number is positive, negative or 0 and print an appropriate message. Ask the input number from the user. Hash program to determine whether the number entered by the user is positive, negative or 0. Num equal to input, bracket, enter a number. Num equal to int, bracket, num. If num greater than 0, print, bracket, number is positive. Elif number equal to 0, print, bracket, number is 0. Else, print, bracket, number is negative. Output 1, output 2. Output. Loops. As discussed above, decision-making or conditional statements control the flow of a program either sequentially or skip some statements depending upon the condition. If some situations, such as computing the table of a number, it is required to repeat some set of statements, this type of execution is called looping or iteration. Loops are used to repeatedly execute the same code in a program. Python provides two types of loop: while loop, for loop. While loop. The while loop in Python is used to iterate a block of code as long as the condition is true. The loop is used when you do not know the number of times to iterate. Syntax: while expression, statement, bracket s. Here statement, bracket s, may be a single or a block of statements. The condition may be any expression and true is any non-zero value. The loop iterates while the condition is true. When the condition becomes false, program control passes to the line immediately following the loop. Flow diagram. When the condition is tested and the result is false, the loop body will be skipped and the first statement after the while loop will be executed. Smart bit: if the condition of while loop is always true, you get an infinite loop. Press Ctrl+C to exit from the loop. Example 4. Write a program to print numbers less than 10. Num equal to 1. While num is less than 10, print num. Num equal to num plus 1. Output. For loop. In Python, for loop has the ability to iterate over the items of any sequence, such as a list or a string. Syntax. For iterating where in sequence. Statements. Bracket s. If a sequence contains an expression list, it is evaluated first. Then the first item in the sequence is assigned to the iterating variable iterating_var. Next, the statements block is executed. Each item in the list is assigned to iterating_var, and the statement or statements block is executed until the entire sequence is exhausted. Example 5. Write a program to display the content of marks list. Marks equal to square bracket 45, 67, 56, 82. For n in marks, print bracket n. Output. Example 6. Write a program to type each letter of the word Python. For letter in Python, hash first example, print bracket current letter : letter.